Hi peeps, so how are you all treating plastic-free July? Yes, this is part 3 of adapting to a plastic-free lifestyle with Moksha Member of Environment. So for me personally, if I want to commit to a certain routine or a practice, I always encourage myself to learn more and more about it. Because the more the information, it's easier for yourself to commit to a certain practice. So that's exactly what I'm trying to do. I would like to give you more and more information on the environment and sustainability, which can help us all lead towards a sustainable living. So we did have a sneak peek on the pressing problem of plastics earlier. So today we are having a look on the marine plastic pollution. Yes, another pressing problem of plastics. So out of the 350 million tons of plastics that are being produced every year, about 8 million tons of plastics end up in the oceans as marine debris. And did you know that 80% of the debris found on the oceans just constitute plastics? These floating plastics found on the oceans are rising to be a threat to marine species. These marine species either ingest or get entangled in this plastic debris, and this leads to severe injuries to them and in some cases also death. Isn't it upsetting that the irresponsible littering and disposal of plastics by humans are causing to be a threat not only to the marine species but also wildlife? This plastic pollution is not only a major threat to the marine species but also is rising to be a threat to food quality, human health, coastal tourism, and is also rising to be a major contributor for climate change. Every year, thousands of seabirds, sea animals like the sea lions, the dolphins, the whales, the sea turtles are succumbed to either injuries or death due to the rising plastic pollution on the oceans. Endangered species like the African penguins, the blue whales, the Hawaiian monk seals, and the Pacific loggerhead sea turtles are among the few names of the 700 species that could be threatened by plastic litter on the oceans. Microplastics, which are usually invisible to the human eye, are rising to cause impacts on human health and food quality. For instance, these microplastics have been found to be present in tap water, salt, and other food components. Chemicals which are used during the production of plastics are known to be carcinogenic, and these components can actually cause health disorders and health issues in humans as well as wildlife. When plastic waste is incinerated, it releases huge amounts of carbon dioxide, which contributes to global warming, hence also contributing towards climate change. Many countries and islands which are dependent on tourism for their revenue generation are facing economic issues due to the rising plastic pollution on the oceans. This is because of the huge costs that are involved in cleaning and maintenance of the oceans, especially to get rid of the floating plastics. So we've been hearing about all these issues and the major impacts that plastic pollution may have on the earth and our lifestyle. So what can be done about it? Well, the simple step that can be done towards a plastic-free lifestyle is commitment. So are you ready to commit towards reducing your plastic use to save the earth as well as the mighty oceans? So if you are willing to make this commitment, do not forget to like, comment, share, and do subscribe to my channel for more interesting content on the environment and sustainability. And those of you who haven't had a chance to look at part 1 and 2, do not forget to watch them as well. Thank you. This is Moksha, Member of Environment.